Oh. I'm gonna just sit it down.
Yeah. Locked out.
Okay, so my mom and sister are picking up their vehicle. We're at home right now. It's dark outside. Come on, the dog's not gonna bother you. And we're about to head up. We just packed the trunk. Okay, we just picked up Ashley, literally right down the street. She was waiting on us so patiently, and now we're about to go. Oh, you gonna have them two little bags? Okay, then girl, pack it light. Uh-oh. Maybe not. I think she got most of. Okay, so now she's done. That's her section. Mine and Bob's section. We are 2 girls. No, we are 3 girls ready to hit that road. You ready?
Yes.
Okay, we're making a quick stop. Ashley's getting us breakfast from Panera. And we ordered drinks this morning from Starbucks. And the Starbucks we went to normally is really good. Like it's normally my first option. But they messed our orders up this morning. This is like the nastiest coffee ever. So I have to drive like with nasty coffee. It tastes like water. And we ordered another drink first, and we ordered it venti, and it was so nasty, and they wouldn't like exchange it or remake it, so I had to buy a whole nother drink. So we wasted money this morning. It's not a good way to start off the trip, guys, but it's okay. We ain't gonna let that ruin our day. Hopefully Panera will come through with the breakfast sandwiches, and it'll be a whole lot better, so we'll see. Did you get more of that sandwich? No.
Make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way.
Okay, we just made like the first bathroom stop. We are in Florida now, but yes, score. I want to get rid of some of this trash though. Every stop that we make a like a trash stop too.
Mom, where are you going?
Throw it to the trash can. Just gonna throw this away really fast and then hop back in the car. I hate touching these trash cans, but we have like a whole lot of hand sanitizer. It's gonna fix that. All right, we have 1 bottle of hand sanitizer in here, so we're gonna use this one. Okay.
Love is an island, a never-ending vacation. I've been feeling selfish. I never want you to share it. We be riding the same wave. Oh, the water's perfect, babe. The heat is rising, the time is melting from my fingertips. How come, baby, kiss my lips? Nothing ever will compare to this.
We just got to the house. Ooh, I can't wait to go inside. Me too. Ooh, I'll probably take my purse in real quick. It's stuck. That's cool. We'll all go in together. Experience this moment at one time. I gotta grab. Am I gonna take this inside? Uh-oh. Ashley, you got the keys? Ashley, do you have the keys?
Yeah. Israel.
Okay,
I'll
so
walk in with you.
come on. I guess I'm gonna go. I guess I'm gonna close this door.
Sitting in silence, we still feel the vibe, and you could not say a word, and I know what you just decided. We'd be riding the same wave. Oh, the water's perfect, babe. The heat is rising, the time is melting from my fingertips. So nothing compares to this. Nothing ever will compare to this. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way.
Okay, so we we just got to Disney Springs and parked. Like all these things are red, so it means like there's no available parking. We found one green lit up like 3 rows over from where my family was, so we just got with them and we're gonna go inside. Just made it into Disney Springs. You want my camera? Okay. Oh!
You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way.
We found some cantaloupe, so we're gonna do that. It looks pretty good, so we're gonna try it.
Love is an